where we're going. Stockport Air Raid Shelter Tours. This is on Great Underbank in Stockport. There's Primark, right opposite Primark. If anybody wants to come in and have a tour of the air raid shelters in Stockport. If you go all the way down, strangle on down there, that takes you up towards the market, up there. Here are the tunnels with the beds in. Disgusting. Unmade them. You know what I mean?
Imagine how many hotties slept on there. Marvellous.
These are for the highly unlikely event of a blast causing a tunnel collapse. And I repeat, gentlemen, the highly unlikely event. Your job will be to keep everyone calm and to dig your way out. Stockport Express, 1941. Stockport Corporation has received letters requesting bunks be booked by those using the public shelters. Please be advised that they cannot be reserved. A mattress and pillow is provided, but bedding must be brought with you and taken away each morning when the raid has ended. You may be able to find a friend who lives nearby or a shopkeeper who is willing to store your bedding for you during the day.
See, what you've got to think of here, as you can see, these shelters, all right, are in sandstone, so that tells you that Stockport is built on sandstone. Sandstone alone, how solid it is as well.
Oh, my feet are throbbing. A full day training at the infirmary and now my shift here. And it's already packed. How did you fare last night? Oh, the usual, you know. Cuts and scrapes from running to get into the tunnels. Couple of panic attacks and... oh, there was one poor child, fair being eaten alive by head lice.
I'd like to show you around so you can get settled in at your post. The first aid post is always kept as hygienic as possible. You'll notice the walls and ceiling are covered in treated canvas and the floor in this section's concrete. Sick bays down the way there. Beds are provided for those who are unwell. We treat minor complaints and injuries only. Serious cases are always transferred to the infirmary. We keep the barley sugar sticks there for frightened children, or as a treat for the ones that do odd jobs.
Tool store. Even got a fire extinguisher. That must have been his toilet.
We need to look lively now, Mr. Sykes. The pubs have just closed, and you know how the rowdy young lads get when they've had a few. Use the tool store if needs be. There is a good solid loft and a spare bunk. Let them sleep it off. Most important, we need to keep the peace. If there are real troubles, let them know I'll be taking them along to the police in the morning to be charged. Stockport Express, 1940. 10 points for the Emergency Committee. The Stockport Express urges Stockport Town Council to provide hot drinks for shelter users as part of the improvements urgently needed for the shelters. Concern is being expressed by first aid attendants and wardens on duty in the large shelters over the practice of serving cold water to children during the night. Many of the youngsters, excited and overtired, get very thirsty and run for a drink every few minutes. No facilities are provided for heating water, and wardens and attendants feel that during winter months, cold water will result in severe chills, if nothing worse. Many parents have brought tea, sugar and milk with them, but owing to the lack of hot water, the children are denied the comfort of a warm drink.
carry on. There, dry your eyes. I know it can be quite grim down here at the old Chestergate Hotel, but there'll be some sort of entertainment later. You can join in the sing-songs, or maybe darts. I heard the Plaza Entertainers might perform later on. There. Better now. Oh, we all mucking together down here. I know. See those folks over there with the street name on the cardboard sign? I'll bet some of your neighbours are here too. Let's go and see if we can find them, eh?
Stockport Advertiser, April 1939. Progress is being made with the huge task of finding out how many people are entitled to free Anderson shelters. Some 37,000 questionnaires have been issued, and there are still 5,000 replies to be received. They are being dealt with rapidly in the town hall. The Steel Anderson shelter, named after Sir John Anderson, our Secretary of State for Home Affairs, are capable of protecting up to 6 people from almost anything other than a direct hit. They are fairly cheap to produce and very effective. They should be sited in the garden, planted 3 feet into the ground, and covered with at least 18 inches of earth. Stockport Express, 10th of December, 1942. It was the suitcase and bundles which attracted my attention.
Who's that?
Curiously, I followed their owners.
So you're recording
Across
me,
Mersey
but
Square,
I'm
down
recording
Chestergate.
you. But I've got a little flash in,
Entrance to the
eh?
That's the all clear then. Good day, and God bless to all of you. Please remember your belongings and to take your rubbish with you. Salvage what you can. And you youngsters, don't run. Press A for news broadcast after a raid, or B for going home after a raid. Otherwise, continue the tour.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this adventure with myself and Keto Greg. It's very interesting and you
This
can feel
is the
the
BBC
uniqueness.
Home Service.
Definitely.
And a lot more to see around the streets of Stockport.
Try to make plans
Thanks
now.
for watching,
Still in the
and I'll
shelters.
see you next
Go
time.
and stay with friends or
Somewhere
relations
else
in case your
fantastic,
house has been
unique,
destroyed.
and special
Pay
in the streets of Stockport.